Hey everyone, I thought I would just whip out this quick video around LogMeIn. Now I was taking a look at this to see about entering a short straddle trade on it, which is my typical trade. If you look over here on the left hand side, you can see that LogMeIn has an IV rank of 55%. And it has an interesting history as far as its IV rank is concerned of climbing to earnings and then dropping off, and then climbing to earnings and dropping off. But earnings were recent, and it dropped off, and now it's been climbing back in, even though earnings isn't till sometime in February, I believe. I thought, okay, well, let me take a look and see how this might play out. Spread is a little on the thin side between here. It's 40 cents between on the .25 delta, and there's no .25-ish delta around here. I'd have to go to the 318 delta, and you can see that the spread is quite wide here as well. So already we're starting to see some things that are shying me away from taking a position on it. Not to say that I wouldn't take risks on something like this anyway, considering a low volatility. Going back to the chart, some of you might be saying, well, it's headed on a downtrend as it is, right? You can see that overall the average is basically going down. Yeah, I acknowledge that, but it had a big jump. Here's the big question. Why was that big jump? Let's take a look. Why LogMeIn jumped Friday? This is on the Motley Fool. Also, if you look here on FinViz, I noticed that there was sale of a LogMeIn private equity would make perfect sense as an M&A lawyer. And there's the article here. And I didn't go too deep into it. The fact that I'm seeing two pieces of evidence that indicate that there might be a buyout is a pretty strong indication, along with the other factors, for me to not invest in it. I'm not going to take the risk of putting a straddle on there. How about putting a short put on it or something like that? Well, that's the thing. I would if I was that type of risk taker, but I'm not. It's simply not that big of a company. There's just too much risk that things will go awry and it'll drop, and I won't get out of the position without taking a loss. So there you have it. I thought I would just go over my quick rationale about why I decided not to take this LogMeIn opportunity, despite the fact that the IV rank is at 55%. Hope this was useful to you. Thanks for listening.